Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Danny and I am so not an expert. Today we have an unboxing to do. Yay! The Fat Quarter Shop has released their Liberty Box and I got one. So let's crack this thing open and see what's inside. Alright, here we go. Now I did cut the tape already because I needed to make sure that what was inside didn't get ruined because it did sit out in the rain, as you can see a little bit here. Now the good news is that all the fabric is wrapped in plastic, so I didn't have to worry about that, and all the notions appeared to have been wrapped in plastic as well, so no damage. Yay. So I already know what's inside, but you guys may not, so let's open it up. Ta-da! So cool. So it looks like we've got a fat quarter bundle here. Looks like maybe 12. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. And then there's a bunch of cute little notions in here. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Look at... Oh, that's cute. We got a little enamel needle minder. It's a magnetic thing. So you just use the magnet to hold your needles. We've got some... Oh, look at the beautiful, beautiful star pattern. This is some soap. Very cool. Looks like it's goat milk soap, so that's really neat. And then there's some fabric scissors. So cute, little snips. You can never have too many of those for sure. And then it looks like there's a 20% off promotional coupon and our pattern as well. So let's go ahead and break open our little pamphlet. They always give you a pamphlet that tells you everything that's inside of it. Let's see here. You can see the Liberty Box Special Edition. And it gives you the retail values for all of the items in here. So the fat quarter bundle that we have is a 14-piece fat quarter bundle. It's called Liberty Star Spangled Fat Quarter Bundle. It is 14 pieces, like I mentioned, with a retail value of $43.73. We have our sweet snips, which are 3.5 fabric scissors. That has a retail value of $7.98. We have the goat's milk soap that we were looking at earlier. Retails for $5.25. And then we have our Liberty enamel needle minder, which retails for $10.98. And then we also have a thread white and blue bumper sticker, which I did not show you guys, but it's right here. So cool. That retails for $4. And last but not least, we have our Fat Quarter Shop exclusive Home Sweet Home quilt pattern for our Quilts of Valor. That retails for $9.98. And that is right here. So this is this month's project. It looks to be a 57.5 by 67.5 quilt. That's really cool. Sorry, just reading through the directions. Looks like they have given us all of the fat quarter bundle pieces, but we will need some additional fabric, some background, and some stashing borders, and some binding. And they give you the recommendations of what those should be. Now, I have, since I had to open the box anyway to make sure that nothing was damaged, I went ahead and I ordered these 3 pieces so that we can make this on the channel. So once those pieces come in, then we'll go ahead and make this, yay, on the channel. So let's take a quick look again at all of our pieces one more time. Let's see, we've got this Soap Escape. Let's see, it says it's from Longmont, Colorado. It's a quilt block hand soap made of goat's milk called Liberty Star. It looks like it's made of all natural ingredients. Very cool. And then we've got our Sweet Snips fabric scissors. Convenient for thread cutting and for travel. Very cool. It's even got a little plastic case to go along with it. Very cool. And then I have to be honest and say I've never used one of these. If you guys know exactly how to use it, let me know. I'm not sure how to use it, to be honest. It says it's an enamel needle minder, but I'm not sure how to use it. I know I've seen them before on a couple of the other project boxes that I've watched, but I'm just not sure. But that's really, really cute. And then, of course, our beautiful, beautiful fabrics. This is Makeover UK. I've never heard of that particular brand, but I'm sure it's a wonderful brand if Fat Quarter Shop sent it to us. Looks like we've got some reds, some whites. I'm not going to open this up right now. We'll open this up when we actually go to make the project, and then you guys can see it a little bit better. But these are some really pretty patterns, it seems like. Lots of stars. Looks like that. So, there you go. This is our Fat Quarter Shop Liberty Box. Let me know what you guys think. I think retail price on this was like right around 50, I don't know, 53, 54, I think. If I remember, I'll put it on the screen here, how much it was. But yeah, I think it's pretty fun. Now, the only thing I'm not thrilled about with Fat Quarter Shop's project boxes is they don't give you everything you need for the project. You do have to go back and buy some additional pieces in order to complete it, which, you know, they're trying to keep the box under $50, so I can understand why they would do that. But they do give you a coupon. I did not show it to you guys because I don't want to give it out on camera, but there is a 20% off coupon. Coupon off of Andover fabrics, which is, I'm sure, what these fabrics are. So unfortunately I didn't see that before I bought the fabrics, so I'll have to use that for something else. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this Liberty Box, and if you'd like to see the project be made on the channel. If you guys haven't already, please make sure you consider subscribing to the video, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that you can see more of our unboxing videos as they come up. I've got another project in the works. And don't forget, we're also live on Sundays, Sunday mornings at 10:30 a.m. Central Time, where we're making our full-size projects and full-size quilts. So lots of fun there. Alright guys, I will see you again really soon. Have a great weekend. Bye!